Hey, it's Dustin and Genius here at Orlando Mini with another instructional video. This time it's on garage door pairing. Now, if your vehicle is equipped with a remote garage door, it will be 3 buttons on the bottom left-hand corner of your rear view mirror. Now, when you press the button, just so you know, it does show an LED light. Now, if you want to clear the memory, just hold down the 1 and the 3 button for about 15 to 20 seconds. Once you're done with that, get your remote. Hold down on the button of your remote that you want to pair, and then hold down simultaneously the button that you want to pair it to on the car. Hold them both down for about 10-15 seconds. And then after that, I want you to try to see if it works, because that is the first step and it might be enough. Just remember, there is a delay, so you want to hold down the button until you see the door respond and then let go. Now, if you don't see it respond, then you do need the second step as required. And that means you have to pair the car to the actual garage door motor, and you need to press the learn button on the garage door motor and then come back to the same button that you just paired to the remote. Hold it down for about 1.5 seconds, let go. Hold it down for another 1.5 seconds, let go. And by the second or third time you do that, you should see the garage door catch. All right, thank you very much for allowing me to teach you about your new Mini.